The next error that we will see is the HTTP access failed read timeout error. Now, this particular error, unlike the previous error, which was the reference star match error, is not an image processing error. What does that mean? It means that as the Astrometrica software waited for the data from an online server and the server didn't respond within the allowed time. Okay. Again, to simplify, it means that the Astrometrica software tried to get the data from the online server. Remember, one of the prerequisite was to have a strong internet connection. Okay. The Astrometrica software is also connected to several other online servers, which are mm, in with the MPC or are in the MPC laboratories or near the telescopes. Okay, so they receive the data from there, and then the software receives the data from these online servers, and if the software fails to analyze the data, or get the data rather, not analyze but get the data from these online servers in the allowed time, then you face this particular error. We will see how this error occurs and how to resolve it now. So you do your Astrometrica data reduction. Okay. This might take a little bit of time. Okay, so this is how the error occurs. What you have to do is you have to click on OK. Okay. Okay. Once you've closed, go to Files, go to Settings. In the settings, you have to click on Internet. Once you're on the Internet panel, you will see Visor Server. You have to click on that and change the server. Okay. Now, in this case, the server was set to CDS Starborg, France. In the beginning of the campaign, your team leader will uh, guide you and let you know about the servers that you have to set your MPC report, your software to, so that you can generate the MPC report successfully and without encountering this particular error. So for this campaign, the Visor server the internet server that we are using for getting the data is the Beijing, China server. So set the server to Beijing, China, click on Save, OK, and then run the data reduction again. This time you should be able to resolve the error issue and go ahead with your analysis. In case the issue is not resolved and you still see the error, what you can do is you can close everything, close all the images, close the software, reset the software before closing the software, and again open the software after a couple of hours and try to run the image set. Okay, now see, the error is resolved and you can continue with the process. Okay, so yeah, to conclude, you resolve the internet server error one by going into files, clicking on settings, going to internet uh, panel, and then selecting the visor servers as per the instructions given to you by your team leader. If you are unable to, after changing the servers, if you're still encountering the error, what you can do next is you can close all the images, reset the software, close the software, and try to open the software and run the analysis on the image set, on that particular image set where you're getting the error again after a couple of hours. If you're still unable to resolve the issue, please contact your team leader. They will help you, or they will report about this particular issue to the MPC coordinators.